my heat transfer friends, it's Gina, and I was coming just to share a quick video with y'all on working with the adhesive vinyl. So I made a post recently in the Facebook group for Heat Transfer Source about its vinyl. I used to not like to work with adhesive vinyl. It was really frustrating, especially with certain brands. But when I discovered Heat Transfer Source's adhesive vinyl, best thing ever. And I really like some of their cooler colors like the chrome. And so I made a post stating how easy it is to work with the adhesive vinyl. And when I mean easy, it's super easy. So I'm working on a cup order. I did already print out the decals. I have to do 24 cups. So I have everything pre-printed. What I like to do is not print it, but cut. I like to design, cut, and then I will go ahead and piece together. Let me grab one. I will piece the two pieces together like this, from this to this, and then I will apply it. And so all you need is the vinyl you're going to use, Heat Transfer Source, and then I do use this tool and my tweezers, and then I have, it's just a clear transfer tape paper, grid backing, and that's what we're going to use to transfer, is the clear part that's over it. I did make me a nifty cup holder that I saw on, I want to say I saw it in a group and then I just YouTubed it. YouTube is wonderful. If you are not subscribing to Heat Transfer Source YouTube, I recommend, don't recommend, just go do it. Do it. Do it. I recommend it highly. There are so many good tips, so many good crafters, and so much good information shared through Heat Transfer Source on their YouTube channel. So I highly recommend it. Do it. Just do it. So this is my nifty little board. I don't know if you noticed, but this is the actual ruler that Heat Transfer Source will send you in some of your orders. So this is a ruler. I have so many. Don't judge. I like getting my heat transfer order in. So, and I just sized the pool noodle to fit the clipboard. And then I cut it in half and hot glued each part. So, and then the ruler. So basically my cup sits like this. So it's not moving around and rolling and whatnot while I'm trying to apply the decal.
Hey, sorry to interrupt, but please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks.
But not my idea, genius idea. So I am now going to move some things around just so that y'all can focus more on me actually doing everything. And we are going to, put together real quick a two-piece set so y'all can see how I do all of that. So all I do is basically take my contact paper, and it's easier to start with one piece. So I take that like so, and I kind of rub over it so that I could get a good adhesion to it, to the transfer tape. And so all we're gonna do is peel the backing away. And so now we're gonna take that piece, and all we're gonna do is line it up so y'all can see. I'm gonna line it up where I want it before pushing down. And then I'm just gonna push down right on top of the other one. Again, taking my tool to get it up there. So once that's all done, and you got you a nice, your pictures all set on your contact paper, you're gonna then take your item, and today I'm doing a cup. So I'm gonna take my cup holder, put my cup holder down, and I'm going to show y'all how easy, super it is to use this adhesive vinyl. So I'm gonna take my photo, my picture right where I want it, and I am going to place it. I like starting from the bottom, and you're just gonna press it up there like so. Make sure you get it good and tight, and then I work my way to the top. So just like that. I'm gonna turn it this way. So just like that. Get a good press. Make sure you don't have no air bubbles in there. And then you just take the corner of your contact paper like so. You lift up and peel off. Now, I don't know who has used or has not used adhesive vinyl, but some brands, none of that is that easy. Heat transfer source, it's that easy. Like, I love using vinyl since I've started with heat transfer source. So that is all, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them down below, and I will answer.